Hi Lenny, hope you are pretty well. We have already made a brilliant and a quality conversation yesterday. Today, I have just made a 3 months action plan for your website because you are seeking my plan about for your website yesterday. Anyway. Uh, I have read your requirement. Yes, I have read your requirement, and you want to increase your traffic on your website, and you also want to generate more sales. And you have also mentioned that who will be your targeted audience. I noticed that those people will be your targeted audience who can talk, who can read. Who can read Dutch and English text, and you also want to see your website's presence on search engine result page, and also you want to see a better score for SEO. Anyway, keeping all these things in my mind, I just made the action plan. You can call it a master plan. Yes, including pricing. Anyway, let's explore the plan. First of all, I want to clarify you that for getting a better result for your website, I will make 50 product and 30 blog posts for your website, and we will upload all of that gradually. Anyway, I will do all of my work in five segment. The first segment is I will do keyword research. For that, I will identify relevant keyword, and also identify competitors keywords, and also related phrases to your business and your industry, and also your targeted audience. Anyway, my second segment will be content strategy. For that, I will create 20 content per month. I will create 20 content per month, and also optimize all of that, and also incorporate targeted keywords naturally into your content. And also, if you haven't, I will create, and if you have, I will update high quality and unique content for key pages like home pages. Anyway, my third segment will be technical SEO, sorry, on page SEO. For doing that, I will fix your I will set your meta title, and also fix meta description, and also H1 H2 headings, image alt text, internal linking, and external linking also. And relevant all on page issues I will set in each content. In every content I will push all of that. Anyway, fourthly, I will do for your website technical SEO, and for that I will set up Google Search Console and Google Analytics, and I will also check crawling errors, and if you have duplicate content or broken links, and I will improve your site speed both for mobile and desktop, and also I will optimize image optimization, and I will also improve your URL structure and optimize that. And finally, I will do some additional work for you. It's completely free, totally free. You do not have to purchase for these services, and that these services are first of all, homepage SEO, product page SEO, and I will also for your website, 50 social share backlinks. It's totally completely free, and I will also weekly or monthly report I will also provide to you. That's all about that. Another thing is, I am always available after order service. So feel free and knock me if anytime you need after order. So this are not any problem. Anyway, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.